All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Today, we're going to be talking about a Bitcoin Cash wallet. If you're a beginner or a veteran on Bitcoin and buying cryptocurrency, you definitely want a wallet. I felt that this was going to be important for the newbies getting started. Buying cryptocurrency is important. But don't you got to store it somewhere? So we're going to be talking about where to store your cryptocurrency wallet, your Bitcoin wallet, what kind of wallet you can do. Here on the channel, we talk about all kinds of things from cryptocurrency to Bitcoin, buying the coin, mining the coin. We're going to be talking today how you can earn some cryptocurrency just from using a credit card. Don't forget to hit the like button and like our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Cryptocurrency is going to be here to stay. Literally, it's not going away anytime soon. So you're going to want to be educated on what's going on in cryptocurrency, just for the simple fact to buy your Chipotles, to buy your Coca-Cola, to use your Bitcoin Cash. So over the next few years, I talk about one of my visions that I can't wait to every single person on the planet has some cryptocurrency. We're so far from that right now, but can you imagine when you're sitting there talking about Dogecoin to everybody, and Ethereum, and Cardano, ADA, and Solana, SOL. It's just like, oh, you know what? My favorite coin is Polkadot. I mean, can you imagine when you're sitting there talking to people and they're talking about, oh, that coin I bought, 10 years ago, at 10x and stuff, at 100x, great investment. Currency is not going anywhere. Don't forget, here on our channel, everything is for educational purposes only. Let's go ahead and head over to Bitcoin Cash Wallet and where we can start a wallet at. All right, over here, Bitcoin Cash Wallet Beginner's Guide. You got the guy here from the Game of Thrones? Not the Game of Thrones, Lord of the Rings. He's got the little Bitcoin in his hand, and he's all happy and stuff and everything. But it says Bitcoin Cash Wallet's Beginner Guide. Before you start trading or mining Bitcoin Cash, you need a place to store it. That's right, a wallet. A wallet consists of two very long sets of random numbers and letters. One of them is your wallet for the public address, which is the other user will send your BCH to. Another one is a private key, which gives you access to the funds as it is used to sign off for transactions. Always make sure to keep your private key safe and secure, as if you lose access to it or simply forget it, you will not be able to access your funds. Similar, if anyone got a hold of your private key, all funds in your wallet will be stolen. Remember, we had that video on the top 4 things to do when you're buying cryptocurrency, and one of them was making sure you don't forget your passcode. Don't forget your, this is a wallet, but inside the wallet, you're going to have your passcode and all those things. So you want to make sure you keep everything in a safe place. It'd be just like your wallet in your pocket or in your purse if you're a female. I mean, if you leave your purse at the beach, guess what? It's probably going to be gone. If you don't have your private keys or you don't keep secure of them, it's the same thing. So this is not nothing new. It's just instead of having your wallet in your pocket, you're going to have your digital wallet. All right, let's keep going here. So take a look at that picture there. That's a funny one too. We're going to keep it those laser lights and stuff so things will go off. If you register with your cryptocurrency exchange that supports Bitcoin Cash, it will automatically provide a wallet for you. However, for safety of your tokens, it is recommended you store them in a different wallet. This is because exchanges that provide wallet services essentially are in possession of your private keys and extensions of your funds. Moreover, there may have been a lot of instances of exchanges getting hacked or losing their customer funds without being able to reimburse them, and simply shutting them down and running away with the user's money. Free Bitcoin and free Bitcoin Cash coins, how to claim them. So we're talking about that hard fork when all of a sudden it made that split and it started having Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Well, if you were around during that time, let's see what it says. If you were in possession of Bitcoin tokens before August 1st of 2017, when Bitcoin Cash hard fork happened, you were entitled to receive the same amount of tokens than BTH. The method of claiming your free Bitcoin Cash tokens will vary depending on the wallet you use. If you're using a full NOD wallet, which is a wallet that requires you to download the entire blockchain, essentially all you need to do is back it up with a wallet data.file. Once it's done, simply import it into a full NOD Bitcoin Cash wallet. So again, kind of looking at this, you're storing your stuff. But in 2017, if you had so many Bitcoins when they did the hard fork, they actually gave you Bitcoin Cash the same amount. Again, we know by 2017, most of you probably already did this, but it's still good educational out there. Oh, by the way, our channel is for educational purposes only. Here at Frank's Crypto Corner, don't forget to like the like button, hit the subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's go ahead and go a little deeper here. To be on the safe side, it is recommended you install a full node Bitcoin Cash wallet on a different computer. This is because some full nodes wallets will... So, you know, the thing is, it's Bitcoin wallets. I like this picture right here where they have all your Bitcoins going into the black hole. You gotta make sure your wallet in your pocket, don't lose it today because you'll lose your stuff. Your purse, don't lose it today. So same thing right here. I mean, you want to protect your stuff. You want to make sure you know where your wallet's going to be at. Wanted to go over here to BlockFi and talk about BlockFi. Don't just buy your Bitcoin, earn it. BlockFi is the easiest place to buy, sell, and earn your cryptocurrency. Sign up today and start earning. What does it say? Earn up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. That's right, everybody. When you buy a Coca-Cola, when you buy a Chipotle, or you buy your airline tickets, or you buy your gasoline with your credit card, you're getting rewards in Bitcoin. I mean, so if you don't want to buy your Bitcoin, if you don't want to mine your Bitcoin, but you do want to participate in the cryptocurrency market, remember my vision, one day everybody's going to have it. This could be a way that you get a little cryptocurrency just by swiping that card when you buy your Chipotles. Over here, earn more from your cryptocurrency. With BlockFi interest, you can get 7.5%. The interest occurs daily. It's paid monthly. There's no hidden fees, no waiting, and no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. Next thing, instant trades, diverse assets, low cost. With BlockFi trading, you can buy, sell, and exchange a variety of crypto assets at a competitive price and store them all in one convenient place. So BlockFi, you're allowed to store things. That could be like a wallet. This is the one I really like. Borrow money at rates as low as 4.5%. So dig this. Imagine if you had one Bitcoin. What's that worth? About 50,000? What if you had 3 Bitcoins? You know, imagine if you had 30 Ethereums. Anyway, sometimes you have to do things in life, and you don't want to sell your Ethereum. You don't want to sell your Bitcoin because you feel that it's going to go up in the future, but you have to because you need a loan for something. Well, listen to what BlockFi does. You don't have to sell your crypto to get cash. At BlockFi, we'll let you borrow the funds against your crypto assets so you can get a loan while continually to hold it. So isn't that kind of a neat thing? You know, you got 3 Bitcoins. They're all worth 50 grand. We're just saying this hypothetically. You got 150 grand and you got a project you want to do for 150 grand. You'd probably be sad about having to get rid of your Bitcoin to do this project, even though you want to do the project. Well, now at BlockFi, you can actually use the as almost like collateral, and you can keep your Bitcoin and you can still do the project. This is fantastic. This is why we do the channel, to bring awesome information, news to everybody here on the channel. So again, don't forget to sign up at BlockFi and get your credit card. Let's head over to the top 10. All right, here's the top 10. So over here at the top 10, cryptocurrency, I'm going to go through these quick because I want to kind of go through 11 through 20 because I'm always going through the top 10. In the last couple days, I wanted to start going through 11 through 20 because Bitcoin Cash is on there, and I want to start paying attention to numbers that are moving up the ranks and getting into the top 10. So real quickly, Bitcoin is at number 1 at 48,000. Ethereum's at number 2. Cardano is at number 3 at $2.85. By the way, it went over $3 the other day. Record for ADA. Binance Coin is at number 4, holding at about $490 a token. Tether is at $1. XRP is at number 6. It's at about $1.14. Again, I'm going through the top 10 quick because I want to get to 11 through 20. Dogecoin is at a solid number 7. USD Coin. Polkadot, which is one of our favorites, is at number 9. It's trading at about $25, 79 cents a coin. SOL is at number 10. So there's our quick top 10. I wanted to focus on the 11 through 20 on today. Uniswap is number 11. It's been in the top 10 for weeks and weeks, but SOL kind of moved up. But it's down about 5%, so this could be a good buying time, buying the dip in the last 7 days. Luna, right here at number 12, is actually up 7.4%. It's trading at $31.20. Luna, this is the first time we're naming it on the channel. So again, this is one of the things you want to write down and pay attention to. Binance USD is right there at number 13. Binance Bitcoin Cash, we just had a video on that. It's trading at $625. Remember when that article opened up, they opened up Bitcoin Cash at $245 a coin. That's a big increase since it opened up. Bitcoin Cash, it's not going anywhere. It's in the top 20 of the cryptocurrencies in the world, sitting at number 14 right now. Litecoin is at number 15. It's at $174 a coin. Chainlink is at number 16. It's down about 9% in the last 7 days. Matic, everybody's heard of that, Polygon. They're at number 17. That's down slightly, $1.49. They're at $3.98%, about 4% down in a week. Wrapped Bitcoin, we're going to come back to that. Number 19 is Internet Computer, is down 11%. Could be a buying time, buying the dip. It's at $60.39, and XLM is at number 20. So with that, let's go up here to the top. The global market is at $2.8 trillion right now. All right, we're over here at Robinhood real quick. So just wanted to go through a couple things at Robinhood. So, we always talk about buying some things. I like to go through the cryptocurrency. So, Litecoin right here is at $173. I can go ahead and hit back. We're actually going to buy a little stock today while we're on the channel. Here's that Bitcoin Cash, $624. But I'm going to do a little ADT buying right here. Nothing big, just $20. Just showing you how to do this. So ADT is at $8.44. I got an average cost of $8.62. I just got a couple shares. But I just wanted to buy a quick $20. So let's put $20 in here. Show you how easy it is to do. No, not 200. So we're reviewing the order. And I'm buying them at $8.44. Click buy. Boom, look at that. Look how quick that was. It's done. I got 2.37 shares at $8.44 of ADT. So I just added to my share. Over here, I'm going to hit refresh. Hit done. And now it's already at $53 is my market value. I had like $33 a second ago. But again, I show you for the channel, buying cryptocurrency. We just bought on Robinhood. I didn't buy cryptocurrency today. I actually bought a little ADT stock, about $20. But again, I wanted to show you how simple that was. And again, we have cryptocurrency too. Heading back over to Bitcoin Cash Wallet. Back here at the Bitcoin Cash Wallet, they're talking about the paper wallet. It's essential. A paper wallet is just a public or private key printed together, usually in a QR form and easy use. A paper wallet is a type of code storage, which is the safest way of storing your crypto funds and is literally no contract on the internet. This makes paper wallets completely unhackable. One printed out, you can do whatever you want with it. Put it in a safety deposit box, keep it under your pillow, or even bury it in the backyard. This way your funds will be safely waiting for your return. So I don't know if I'd bury it in the backyard, but the easiest way of creating a paper wallet is saving a wallet.dat file from your wallet that keeps your private keys on your computer. Printing it out is easy and is original in your computer afterwards. So with that, we wanted to finish and talk about a little bit of Dogecoin, a little bit of Litecoin. So you definitely want to pay attention to the Doge in the news. So, it's been going up a little bit. It's down a little bit right now, but pay attention to the Dogecoin. Litecoin is, I bought some Litecoin a month and a half ago, about $127. Now it's $172. That's $50 on the 127. What is that, about 40% gain? Pay attention to that. But the last couple days we've been talking about Bitcoin Cash, getting started with Bitcoin Cash. Today we're talking about a wallet. Because if you're buying the cryptocurrency, you're going to need to put it on a wallet somewhere, so that's important. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon because you don't want to miss out on any up-and-coming videos. If you can click right here, you can click our most recent video. Frank from Frank Crypto Corner. We bring you videos every single day at 1 o'clock. We're going to be here for years and years to come, so come with us on this journey as we basically teach everybody on YouTube how they can learn cryptocurrency, mine cryptocurrency, and become very wealthy with cryptocurrency. Educational purposes only. You have a great day.